Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off your headphones House of Marley Positive Vibration XL. And to turn on or turn off your headphones, we'll use multifunctional button at your right ear cup right here. We have it between volume down or volume up and volume down buttons. So, firstly let's turn off it, and you need to press and hold this multifunctional button until this LED light quick flashed red. And you just hold it, and right here, as you can see, we have it, and we just turn off it. We also have no connection with the phone. Now to turn on your headphones, you need the same press and hold at this multifunctional button. And this LED light will flash blue. So let's make it and just hold it. And as you can see, it just flashed blue. And we have connection. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!